Now, in this phase of construction, we can add texture, color, and style to our bathrooms. Our tile setters can now begin installing tile on the floors and in the showers.
Tile setters on site. They've kind of evaluated the situation. We've got a number of areas where the tile's going in, shower pans, things like that. They have to be flood tested before the installation can actually start.
We put a plug in the drain and fill up the mud pan all the way up to the curb and around the perimeter. Let it sit overnight, make sure nothing leaked, make sure the water's in the same place that it started, and everything's good. No leaks, it was good.
There's a number of situations that we have to address before the tile goes in. One of the things is we're going with the pre-finished hardwood floor. With that, we have a cork underlayment. So in order to avoid some transitions at the doors between the two materials, we have to build up our bathroom floors about a ½ an inch, ¼ inch to pick up that difference depending on which location and the tile thickness. So before we can even start the tile work, the tile setters will go in, they'll cover the floor with the Durarock material. Since it's a cement board, it won't impact our radiant heat. That's something that we have to be very well aware of because we want to make sure we're always able to transmit that through the floor. So the cement board is a great transmitter for the radiant heat, so there won't be any issues there. And we're only talking about maybe a ¼ inch thickness anyway.
We went with ¼ inch Durarock, put it in with Kerelastic. It's a grid system and you square off the room, make sure everything's good, and once it's all laid out, you can start installing, stay off the same corner, and everything lines up perfect. All your grout lines stay consistent. You can look down the floor, and it looks like someone's holding a piece of string down the grout line.
Now that our tile substrate is down and everything's waterproof and sealed, we're ready for our tile installation.
So the type of tile that you install is very important for the application. I mean, some tiles are more applicable for exterior use, some are more applicable for wall or for floor use. And the problem is, too, that there's an automatic assumption that, oh, tile's tile. But unless you actually look at how the manufacturer has tested it and for the application, you open yourself up for all sorts of issues.
Now that the flooring's done, it's time to move on to installing the walls in the bathrooms.
Visit the Built to Last website to learn about these topics and more.